A quiet morning in Raindrop Hollow. An early morning mist stretches like a blanket across the glen. Tiny droplets cling to the edges of clover leaves, catching the light. The sun hasn't risen, but a pale blush touches the treetops. Thistle's home is nestled at the base of a silver birch, its cap still glistening from the night's soft rain. Inside, a kettle hums quietly, and Thistle shuffles sleepily, wrapping his crinkled leaf blanket tighter around his small shoulders. Outside, Ember is perched on a flower petal, her golden wings still as she sips from a thimble of warm tea. She watches as a sleepy bee, a friend of brambles, bumps gently into a poppy, drowsy and sweet from dreaming. The hollow begins to stir. A gentle wind moves through the tall grass, whispering secrets of the day to come. In the distance, Luna giggles as she coaxes the mist into glowing shapes that dance before dissolving again. The hollow is always near, just a whisper away.